Hello everyone, I'm here with a new video of my video series, the ABC of eTwinning, and on this video I will show you the eTwinning live sections and how to use them. Okay, first of all, let's go to the eTwinning link. Okay, when we go live.etwinning.net, we will see the homepage of eTwinning Live. Let's see the sections. First of all, the profile section, you can find it here or at the top of the page on the right, this small picture. When you click here, you can go to your profile, and when you click here, your name, you can go to your profile. To edit your profile, click the edit. Then you will see your personal information. If you want to change your password, you can click here and change your password. And if you want to change your email address, also you can write your new email address here. Pictures, you can upload any pictures to use as your profile picture. How you can do this? Click the pencil and click set image as default picture, then submit it to change your profile picture as I did. Then if you start to work another school, a new school, you will go to my school section and click add a school to add your new school. My interest, here you can share your project idea for the other eTwinners to see you, to find you. And privacy and security, when you go here, you can choose who can follow your, see your eTwinning profile, or who can comment on the posts on your timeline. Let's turn back to the eTwinning live and start with this section, people. In this section, you can find teachers, eTwinners, by typing their names or places and search, or eTwinning schools by typing again their names and search. You can see the list of your contacts when you click my contact section, and you can look for a project partner. When you click it, it will direct you to partner forums. Events, you can see all the events that happened on eTwinning Live. You can create your own events, or you can see your past events when you click these sections. And you can again type a keyword according to your interests to find an event. Projects, in this section, you can search for any project by typing a keyword. And you can see your active projects or the closed ones. Again, you can create a project here, and you can go to partner forums to find partners to your projects, and you can go to eTwinning project kits for inspiration. There are many kits. If you don't have any idea and don't know how to start, where to start, you can use these kits. And in groups, according to your interest, again, you can find any groups on eTwinning and join them, or you can create your own group. Partner forums, there are sections according to the ages in these partner forums, and Erasmus Plus partnerships, also you can find partners for your Erasmus Plus projects. When you go to any section, you can search for the projects and reply them, or you can create your own post if you have an idea. Professional development, here you can see the list of upcoming events, the learning events, and upcoming online seminars. You can apply to join these learning events, or you can follow the upcoming online seminars. You should click the title. And if you are interested in this online seminar, you can click I'm interested. The system will send you an email to join on time. And let's see these sections on the blue bar. Again, portal. It is the eTwinning.net. And my groups, the groups that you are the member, and my twin spaces. If you have projects, you can go to your twin spaces from the shortcut. When you click this square, there are other shortcuts to go, and we are now on my twin spaces. Portal is the main page, eTwinning Live I showed you, and groups, the groups that you are the members, and learning lab. When you join an learning event, you will have some learning labs. You can go them from this shortcut. And self-teaching materials. These are the materials that eTwinning created for us to develop ourselves. After each module, there is a quiz. When you answer this quiz, you will develop yourself. Also, you will improve your progression bar. Here we have a progression bar. When you go to your profile, you will see it here. Global progression. When you solve, answer these quizzes, your progression bar also increase. Okay, what are these? These are some badges when you get an equality label, or when you do some actions on eTwinning. Okay. And this is like a social page. As you see, you can share posts here, and the people on your contact list and who follow you can comment and like them. You can also do the same thing for the people you follow on the home page. As you see here, the people whom I follow on eTwinning, I can see their posts and like them and comment on them. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my other videos and watch them and share your comments. Thank you for listening. See you soon. Bye bye.